Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Factor the polynomial p of x equals 6x cubed minus 9x squared minus 6x completely over the integers. Now let's work through the solution step by step. Start by finding the greatest common factor of all three terms. The GCF of the coefficients 6, 9, and 6 is 3, and every term has at least one factor of x. So we factor out 3x, leaving 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 inside the parentheses. To factor the quadratic 2x squared minus 3x minus 2, use the AC method. Multiply the leading coefficient 2 by the constant negative 2 to get negative 4. We need two integers that multiply to negative 4 and add to negative 3. Those numbers are positive 1 and negative 4. Rewrite the middle term as plus x minus 4x. Then group the four terms into two pairs. Factor x out of the first pair to get x times 2x plus 1, and factor negative 2 out of the second pair to get negative 2 times 2x plus 1. Both groups share the common binomial factor 2x plus 1, so factor that out to get 2x plus 1 times x minus 2. Putting it all together, the completely factored form is 3x times 2x plus 1 times x minus 2. We verify by expanding. 2x plus 1 times x minus 2 gives 2x squared minus 3x minus 2, and multiplying by 3x returns the original polynomial 6x cubed minus 9x squared minus 6x. The factorization is confirmed. The complete factorization over the integers is 3x times 2x plus 1 times x minus 2. The three factors correspond to the zeros of the polynomial. X equals 0, x equals negative 1/2, and x equals 2. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.